Hi, I'm Lukas from Metal. Today we have 90 seconds to unbox the new RONDO 2. So let's start the clock. RONDO 2 comes with a lot of covers, accessories and other things. So we have a pretty huge box here to fit it all in. And here it is, the brand new RONDO 2. Small, lighter and more stylish than ever before. Underneath, we have the fine-tuner remote control and the all-important design covers. We've got 4 neutral shades here. For the more colorful design covers, check out our website, metal.com/RONDO2. This looks like just a case, but if you open it up, it's actually for the wireless charger for powering up the RONDO 2. And of course, the RONDO 2 fits in the case too. Here we have all the manuals and documents. Important stuff here, be sure to look through it all. How long left? Only a couple of seconds to go. These little boxes contain yet more accessories, such as the hair clip or the cloth clip and the mini battery pack for powering RONDO 2 on the go. And right down here at the bottom, we have some adapters and accessories for the fine tuner, but also the R-Tone 3 Bluetooth neck clip, which you can use to hear better with RONDO 2 on the phone or watching TV. And it all comes in this stylish metal backpack. So there you have it, stop the clock. The new RONDO 2 in under 90 seconds. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.